In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to top up loan on Fairmoney. So let's say, for example, you have already borrowed money from the platform and you want to add more to it to top up the loan. Maybe you borrow 5,000 naira before and you want to add another 5,000 naira to it. So the next thing you're going to do is to top up the loan. So for you to be able to do that, log into your Palmpay account, then on where you see a balance, just swipe to the left, then you can see this page just like this, where you see if you already borrow money, you see an active loan, but then if you haven't, you see no active loan. You can see take loan down below, and if you look down below, you see repay, top up and extend. So if you have already take a loan, all these three options will be clickable that you can actually use to top up your loan. It's very simple as that. So just click on top up, then you can decide how much loan you want to top up to your existing loan, and also how long will it take you to pay back. So once you choose the amount it's going to take you to pay back, it will be added to your existing loan tenor and the amount. So and then the interest will also be added. So that is how you can actually top up loan from Fairmoney app.